This is my dad's 2014 John Deere Gator 825i. This back glass should fit pretty much any range of John Deere Gator, well, this body style at least, with the rack and everything. So I told these people they could only send it to me if I could do an honest review, because if it's gonna be junk, so we're gonna do something to make this video just a little bit more interesting. We're gonna time ourselves. It's currently 12:48. Let's see how fast we can do it. The first thing I wanted us to do was peel off the protective layers. And I was thinking, man, these windows, like the windows actually like really foggy, not very transparent. That was just the plastic on top. I think that went in. I don't know why I wanted me to do this first when we're gonna be touching it and doing everything to it. I guess this was just to protect it during shipping. All right, back glass is officially installed. A couple things about this. One, it went together really easy, it's real simple. It is currently 1:44, so it took a little less than an hour to put it together. And that's with me doing all the videoing and setting everything up to where you guys can see it real well. It goes on and off with just straps, 6 total, 4 on the sides and 2 on the top. That way you don't have to screw anything into your roof or into your actual roll bar. Most people are gonna be using this if they're hauling some sort of load in their bed. They don't want it poking them or anything through the back. Like, I don't know if you're hauling sticks or wood, or you don't want a pile of wood falling into your cab and hitting you or anything. This would definitely hold up to that. It's definitely strong and it'll definitely get the job done. Another good use for it is like during the winter, if you're driving in snow, it keeps up a lot of the snow, and the fine bits of snow that are in the air can a lot of the times come into the back through like the wind gusts, or like you almost create like a wind tunnel on the Gator. So this would block a lot of that as well.